Ooh, no love for Simon. All right, so this is the rainy day. They were supposed to be at Parlay. Apparently we're canceled today. This is no longer Ultimate. This is now known as Extreme Hardcore.
Ultimate. Almost Ultimate.
Yeah. Extreme Goaltimate. Almost Goaltimate. Small box. We got a circle.
Like a box.
All right, so other people didn't make it today.
Nice ups. Milk that to the line.
We've even got a new guy coming.
Oh!
Oh man! That was solid. See these plays? You're missing people.
The disc.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. First foot looked good. First foot looked good.
You can't go through the back of the door. Back door.
No, through back door.
You can't go through the back door.
Oh man. Man, I've seriously got a highlight reel going on here.
Place your divots.
What's the divot? Let's see the divot. Oh my goodness.
Okay, divot you stuck out there.
Oh man.
Gotta replace that. I'm gonna. Take care of your fields, kids.
Yes, okay. Public service announcement. City of Charlottetown. See what we do?
That was a sweet one.
Ooh, big ups by Simon.
There you go. Nice swing. Oh, it was true, just not high enough.